Nothing wrong with my baby. Dang, I'm about to just give him some more medicine. I already gave him some this morning before church. But I have to give him this medicine till I see his actual doctor. But y'all keep doing all that other stuff like I'm not taking care of my kids. It's giving friends. Right, we good friends, right? I don't have I'm celibate, bro. I'm not even thinking about. Yay. Okay, look, he about to be mad. He don't. See, I got a cough too. Chrisean, but this, it's crazy because as soon as he take this, he coughs up a lot of phlegm. Just FYI, everybody. Just keep. Look, he don't even want it. He know what this is. I know, Chrisean. Let me mute it before y'all try to play with me because he gonna be coughing because the medicine. One thing about this medicine, it's good instantly. But then, like, you have to keep giving it to him every couple hours. See? He just coughed it all up. Good boy. Give me that. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. See, this medicine, it clears his, like, thing. Like, he's still coughing it up. Like a big boy, though. Oh, like you got a mucus suction? Yes, I do.
You didn't even let me take you out to dinner. Hold on.
So hey guys, at this point I think Chrisean is not okay, because honestly speaking this ain't the right way to talk, especially seeing the condition that her son is in. And I'll say this nicely guys, and what I think is that Chrisean should go for some therapy herself, because clearly she ain't okay. You know, JR is literally struggling to breathe and this is so wrong. He can't be able to speak for himself since he's still a baby, and this video clearly confirms to us that JR is not making any progress. And what really frustrates me is that Chrisean thinks her son is okay, and by just taking those meds, he'll be fine. And this is a serious matter that needs medical attention from experts, and knowing that she got only one child, I think Chrisean should be able to focus on her son's well-being rather than involving herself in social media stuff. And as a parent, it is so sad to see such things happening and no action is being taken. And I think she clearly needs help fast so that she's able to help her son, because honestly guys, JR is growing older and time is really going fast. The earlier the better, and action needs to be taken because this really sounds horrible. And after this video went viral guys, Chrisean has faced backlash with people saying she only cares about herself and her son is literally going through a lot without having anyone to help, and that action must be taken before it's too late. And this is something that people have been talking about again and again, telling Chrisean to take JR's condition seriously. And I think someone has to step up and do it instead, because it seems that Chrisean sees nothing wrong with her son. And I remember there was a time allegedly Blueface had called the CPS on her. I don't know what happened, but guys, I'll follow up on that and I'll give you the feedback needed. So adding on to that guys, it's clear that Chrisean is busy talking to someone else while her son is going through difficult moments in the end of the video. And I really don't know what goes behind closed doors, but I think something really needs to be done as fast as possible, Anyway guys, I just hope that baby JR will get the help he needs to be able to recover, and maybe Blueface can involve himself as a dad, because in as much as they might have not settled their issue, their son's well-being definitely comes first. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates. I'll see you in the next video. This is Frontline Focus from East of Africa.